Hello everyone, welcome back to another new recipe. It's going to be very delicious as usual. Today we are making two types of sweets, and once we get the bigger jackfruit, right, and we get lot of jackfruits, and if we eat jackfruit still it remains. So that time what we can do is some dish we can do with that. One is custard jackfruit, or you can call it as a sweet salad. Another one is pudding, or you can call it as a smoothie also. So two types of dish recipe I'm making here. It's very easy, and little vary is there, but the taste is also little different. So try this out, both the thing. So let's begin with one recipe, that is jackfruit custard. So let's remove this seeds fast, and cut into small pieces and keep it ready. So I have taken here coconut giri and place this in a mixer jar and grind it into smooth paste. You can add some water, like 1 cup of coconut means 1 cup of water you can add. So if it is little also, it's tastier only. So if your wish, however you want the consistency, that much water you can add. So you had to grind that and you had to strain it. So you can use even the muslin cloth or any strainer if you have. I'm just using, because it's a little amount, so I'm just using the strainer. So just strain it and remove the milk. Take out the milk from the coconut, and see, I have cut these jackfruits into small pieces like this way. So if it is possible you to make some more small, you can make it, otherwise this is enough. So pours this milk. So I have taken like 1 cup approximately. So it's not like you have to do the exact measurement, you can just make it little changes also. So see the ingredients and combine that. So I'm adding here little one banana. You can cut that into small pieces, they're the same sizes of jackfruit, and add that. Now I'm adding here 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. And both I'm adding here. If you want, you can use only cardamom powder if you don't like the dry ginger taste. So if you add that, is going to enhance your taste, that's it. So add that and mix well. So we are adding here one more ingredient, that is like a sweet. Jackfruit has a sweet, but when you mix with these things, it will reduce little bit the sweetness. So we are adding here jaggery syrup. Yes, jaggery syrup is like how to make jaggery syrup. Okay, take a jaggery and add little water, and just keep that on a stove and make it, let it melt it. That's it, that is a jaggery syrup. It's not like should be a one string or two string, or like it should be thick enough or not. It should be diluted one, that's it. So you can, this is the jaggery syrup. Now you can add this, how much sweet you require it, how much it requires, like you can taste and see how much it requires, that much you can add. So and give a nice mix to that, and it's ready. Right, yes. Custard jackfruit, you can call it as even sweet salad. Yes, and it's going to be very delicious. You try this out, it's a different taste. I tried it and it came out very nice, and it's very delicious and easy to make. Let's move to the another recipe. What is that? It's like, you can call it as even smoothie, or you can call it as a pudding. So let's make this one. Grind this fresh coconut a little bit, like a half cup, that much you can take. I have just grinded this. You can put some water and grind one more time. Now we are not removing the milk from it, just we are grinding, and we will add these jackfruits also now. See, I'm adding here jackfruits, and now grind into smooth paste. See, add these jackfruits. You can go for a bigger jar also. For me it's okay, it will fit in that. So adding this jackfruit and grinding it. See, after grinding it will become smooth paste, right? In this only you can add the spices, the enhanced taster, or else you can just remove that and mix all together now. So some more ingredients we are going to mix with this. So what all those things? One is same cardamom powder and dry ginger powder, 1/8 teaspoon. So add both, and again the syrup. So this thing we have added to that also, and this also, right? The same ingredient. What I want to say is the same ingredient. There we have just taken out the milk, but here we are added everything. We didn't take out the milk, just we mix with this jackfruit, and when we grind it, that gives a little different taste. So I wanted to try both way how it looks, and I thought of showing that one, but it's both are very nice, and it gives it's a different taste, and it was very tasty. Both are also tasty. Like you might have, you might like this one, or some people might like that one. So you had to try both. Let's see which one you like. Okay, and you can decorate whatever you have, nuts, or in any other fruits also you can add. Banana you can decorate, or nuts, or any seeds. Chia seeds also you can mix with this. It looks very good. And you can decorate with any other thing, like I have decorated here cashews. Here in this bowl, custard, I have added badam. What is that? Almonds. So just sliced, and I added that. That's it, right? See, very easy, right? How you do, how you think, right? It's very easy, and the ingredients are the same. Both the recipe is same ingredients, but the making the method is little different, and it gives little different taste also. So try this both, and let me know in the comment how it turned out. Okay, and thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Thank you for sharing. Thank you everything. Namaste. See you in the next video. Bye.